Hi guys, welcome to my page. Welcome to homemade cooking underscore shady. What are we cooking today? We are cooking ogbono soup. Yes, ogbono soup. I'm not going to add much to this ogbono because I'm using it as a supplement. Yes, I'm using it as a supplement to the fish stew I cooked earlier. Yes, so I use bell pepper, I use Cameroon pepper, I use palm oil, I use part of the fish that I put in the oven. That's egg. I use egg fish, and I added salt. As you can see, our ogbono is ready. And this ogbono soup, you can actually add it as a supplement to your main soup. Yes, and use it to eat eba, hamola, pando, anything, just name it. Please, if you're just joining my page, guys, kindly comment, kindly subscribe, your subscription, your comments. Keep me going, and Happy New Year in advance. I love you guys. Have a wonderful year. Bye.